Guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you the easiest way how you can set up multiple monitors when you are plugging 2 or 3 or additional monitors to your laptop. So probably you have a docking station or you have a desktop computer, a laptop, and you would like to connect multiple monitors to it. However, you are not able to do extend, or even you are not able to adjust it as you want. So here I have my laptop to which I plugged a docking station to plug 2 additional monitors. You might have a PC or a laptop and you have done the same with or without the docking station. So in this video, I'll show you the easiest way how you can do the settings. Press the Windows sign and the letter X. Select Mobility Center. Disconnect display. Sometimes it might not work on the first place, so you want to try again. Windows button plus X, Mobility Center. Disconnect display. And here you will have the option to second screen only, extend, duplicate, or PC screen only. So for now, I will select extend and it should select it. Once done, or once you see it in orange, you can click out. Now we click on the desktop with the right button of the mouse and select display settings. Now we are going to click identify, and there is this number which will show up in each of the monitor. Again, so here I have 3 monitors plugged through a docking station, so they show all of them. You have to remember that number 1 is your laptop. If you are using a laptop, it's your laptop screen. Number 2, 3, 4, 5 is the external monitors connected. So to adjust them, you can do as following. So for example, if you do it like this and you click apply, then to move to the second monitor or third monitor, you have to go on the top here. You can see my mouse. So you have to go on the right to go to the second monitor on the top, and you have to go on the left to the top to go to the third monitor. If you do the other way around, then you will have to go to the bottom to access the other monitors, one on the right and one on the left. You can organize them as you want. So with this way, I will have to just to navigate vertically by the mouse to access the other monitors. Once done, and you can also shift as you like. Once done, click apply and your settings should take effect. Once done, you can go click on X to close and the settings has been saved. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance, just write a comment and we will do our best to help you. If you'd like to encourage us to make more video tutorials, you can always do that by clicking a like and a share. And do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.